In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an image format converter website with the help of ChatGPT using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll be able to upload an image, select a format to convert to, and then download the converted image. Simply ask ChatGPT to create an image format converter website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The ChatGPT will create a code for it. Now copy-paste the code to your project. The HTML code consists of a container div that holds the header, input, options container, and preview container. The header displays the title of the page. The input element is used to upload an image file, and its onChange event is handled by the preview image function. The options container holds a drop-down menu for selecting the output format and a button for triggering the conversion and download process. The preview container displays the uploaded image and is initially hidden until an image is selected. The JavaScript code consists of two functions: preview image and convert image. The preview image function handles the onChange event of the input element. It first checks if an image file is selected and, if not, hides the preview container. If an image is selected, it reads the file as a data URL using a file reader object and sets the source of the preview image to the data URL. The preview container is then shown. The convert image function handles the click event of the convert button. It first gets the selected file and output format from the input and select elements. It then creates a canvas element and a context object for drawing on the canvas. It creates an image object and sets its source to a URL object created from the input file. When the image is loaded, it sets the dimensions of the canvas to the image dimensions and draws the image onto the canvas. It then converts the canvas to a data URL using the toData_URL method and downloads the converted image by creating a link element with the download attribute and triggering its click event. Finally, we'll test our website to ensure that everything is working as expected. And that's it. You now have a fully functional image format converter website that you can use to convert images to various formats. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. The website preview link and code are provided in the description. Thanks for watching.